Zurich is Switzerland's largest city with around 440,000 inhabitants and a metropolitan population of over 1.5 million. It functions as a financial hub, home to the Swiss Stock Exchange and headquarters of institutions like UBS and Credit Suisse. Zurich Hauptbahnhof, opened in 1847, is one of Europe's busiest stations with more than 400,000 passengers daily. The 1.4-kilometer Bahnhofstrasse ranks among the most expensive retail streets globally, with rents exceeding 1,100 Swiss francs per square meter per month. This 1899 bronze monument of Johann Heinrich Pestalozzi commemorates the educational reformer's work with Zurich's poor children. Rennweg, once a Roman military route, served as Zurich's main street until Bahnhofstrasse took prominence in the 19th century. Installed in 1984, the Amazonenbrunnen by sculptor Hans Ging shows a mounted Amazon warrior. St. Peter's Church, dating to the 9th century, contains Europe's largest church clock face, measuring 8.7 meters in diameter. The Münsterhof fountain marks the city's central square, which once hosted the annual spring cattle market. Founded in 853 by King Louis the German, the Fraumünster is known for its stained glass windows by Marc Chagall and Augusto Giacometti. The Limmat emerges from Lake Zurich, winds through the city, and meets the Aare, 36 kilometers downstream. Seasonal boat services run along the river. A series of small hydropower installations regulates flow for flood control and local electricity generation. The Grossmünster, completed in the 13th century, became the center of Huldrych Zwingli's Reformation in the 1520s. Its twin towers are considered a defining feature of Zurich's skyline. Münstergasse is a historic lane lined with former guild houses. The Stussibrunnen, built in 1912, depicts Hans Waldmann's warhorse and commemorates a medieval Zurich mayor executed in 1489. Niederdorfstrasse, often called Dörfli, is a pedestrian street known for small shops and restaurants. Lindenhof Hill was the site of a late Roman fortress and later a Carolingian palace. Today, it is a public park with a panoramic view of the old town. Zurich's streets and riverside paths reveal a city shaped by centuries of trade, faith, and innovation. Leaving it behind, you carry the quiet rhythms of its old town and the pulse of a modern metropolis.